how can you get all the premium features of this wonderful app without actually having to pay for it? So let me show you how you can do it. So as you can see, it all says premium. It's has all the wonderful features of the premium app without me having to watch any ads before, after, during the video. And also I can watch all the videos like in the background and when my phone is locked. So it's all cool. And what you gotta do is just go to your Telegram app. Yep, and you're gonna go and search for this Revanced. So you can either go to the Revanced public, and this community is just about this wonderful app that is basically this free version of that wonderful app, but it has some cool features that I have mentioned. But you can either go to this public, to this community, or you can just go and download it from any APK community that you have. So you just go and download the latest version, and yeah, you set it up, you sign in, and you work with it like just fine. But I pay attention, you're gonna download both this APK and you need to download also this micro G as well. Without it, your app will not work as fine as it could have. So I hope that you guys will have fun with this app, and let me know in the comments whether you already use it or you want to use it, and let me know in the comments, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you guys next time.